Hello, my fellow streamers. If you are tired of manually switching OBS scenes every time you alt tab between apps, games, or tools, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you a powerful window-only OBS Lua script that automatically switches your scene based on an active window on your computer. No hotkeys, no plugins, no guesswork. This script watches which application is currently in focus and instantly switches OBS to the correct scene, all using an executable name, window title, or even both. It's perfect for streamers, content creators, and workflow users who jump between games, browsers, Discord, editors, or productivity apps and want OBS to react automatically. In this video, I will explain you how the script works, how to configure the rules correctly, and how to avoid common mistakes so your scene switching stays smooth and reliable. So, as usual, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Okay, let's get started. Oh, let's download the script. You will find the download link in the video description. So, just download the file. You will be redirected to GitHub and you have to download the zip file. Okay, save it anywhere on your drive and unzip the contents. I'll just put it on the desktop for the sake of this tutorial. Okay, now that we have downloaded, let's jump in OBS Studio. Now that we are back to OBS Studio, we have to go to Tools, Scripts, and press the plus button here. Now, let's find our script, Smart Scene Auto Switcher, hit OK, and you will be prompted with some settings. You can add up to 8 rules. It's more than enough for a small production environment. Okay, it comes enabled by default, but here you must be very careful because if you leave it enabled, you may just see your scene switching and you may not know where where it comes from. Okay, now I have prepared 3 scenes for this script. And if I go back to Tools, Scripts, and go to Smart Scene Auto Switcher, you may notice sometimes you won't see all your newly created scenes right here. All you have to do is click on this refresh button, and then you will see your scene. So let's create the first rule. I want to switch to GitHub scene when I open up my GitHub application. And here for the rule 2, let's find, I won't be using visual code. I will select the OpenShot application. Okay, I'll leave this by default. Then I can just close this window. And now if I open up my, if I, if I highlight my GitHub application, as you can see, it switched to my GitHub scene. Now, if I open up OpenShot, it switches to the scene because here I forgot to change it to this one. And now if I close and I go back to my application, you will see the scene is changed automatically. And I can just switch between the applications and OBS Studio, it's doing the rest. That's pretty much it about this small script. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. And see you guys on the next video.